Hello guys, today is February 27, Monday, and every Monday we do history. So this is episode number 85. We are closing the 100th episode mark, and I hope you are watching every single episode, okay? Because maybe one episode you skipped, and directly from that, if UPSC question comes, then later you will regret not watching that episode, okay? So just 5-10 minutes in a day, so please don't waste your chance, okay? Please watch it every single thing. It's in a single playlist, and you can learn a lot of things, okay? It's not just the MCQ. We are all teaching you a lot of tricks, lot of things to remember, comparing with previous year questions. A lot of effort is being done every single day by our teachers, and it's completely free also, okay? So please do that. And tomorrow is the last date for the modification window. After this you cannot modify, so please see to it that you watch this video and understand how you can modify your form, because after this you have no other option, okay? And 24 students also can watch all these videos. You will understand how to fill a form, what is OBC NCL certificate. You can make all the documents ready and then go to your preparation, okay? Don't sit and study simply books by books, and then later when February month comes, 10-20 days if you waste on just filling your form because you don't know what to do, that time you will regret, okay? Those 20 days will make other people get higher ranks than you, so don't regret later. Watch these 4 videos and it will change your life, okay? There are more videos, and this is a foundation which you have to start with. For that you have to first WhatsApp me. This is the WhatsApp number. You WhatsApp me and you will start with the foundation and sincerely watch those 25 videos. I know most of you will watch randomly 2-3 videos and come and tell, yes sir, I have done. But I am telling you, later when you fail the exam, and then by chance if you get to see the foundation, you will understand that, oh, whatever I had doubt was already answered in the foundation. So please don't make that mistake, and get access to unlimited lectures by sending me a message. Now history MCQ 1 for today. Which of the following are false about life in 6th to 3rd century BC? Okay, meaning 600 to 300 BC. Houses were built of mud brick as well as burnt bricks. Terracotta ring wells may have been used both as wells and drainage pits. So options are 1 only, 2 only, both 1 and 2, neither 1 nor 2. This is an NCERT based question. So today's history mix. So I have taken from different books and different areas of history. So think of the answer. Here the answer will be D. Now again, most of you would have read this and feel like, okay, this is also true, this is also true. So answer is both 1 and 2. That is where you did not read the question properly. It's asking for false. Okay, so neither 1 or 2 is false, meaning both 1 and 2 are true. Okay, so in 1951-52, this B.B. Lal archaeologist excavated at a village named Hastinapura in Meerut, and he found evidence of 5 occupational levels. This is what Lal noted about the houses in the second phase, 12th to 7th century BC. Within the limited area excavated, no definite plans of house were obtained, but walls of mud and mud bricks were duly encountered. The discovery of mud plaster with prominent reed marks suggested that some of the houses had reed walls plastered over with the mud. Okay, this is the 12th, 7th century time he found out. Then in the third phase, 6th century to 3rd century BC, he noted that the houses of this period were built of mud bricks as well as burnt bricks. And then showcase jars and brick drains were used for draining out refuse water, while terracotta ring wells may have been used both as wells and drainage pits. This is written in your NCERT. Okay. Now question number 2. Which of the following are true? None of the Buddha's speeches were written down during his lifetime. Abhidhamma Pitaka dealt with philosophical matters. So again, Buddhism is a topic which I think last 20 years if you take, every year one question was there either on Buddhism or Jainism. And the problem is, after 2016, 2017, again 2017 onwards, the questions are very difficult. Okay, very difficult means we would not have even heard of these names, and you can't even tell with the options also, because if you take terms like Sarvastivadin or Sautantrika, this and all, when you read, like, you cannot understand whether it's a Buddhism term or a Jainism term. There's no differentiator, because both are in the same timeline and both are like the same kind of karma and these kind of beliefs. Like, as I tell, like Hindu term and a Muslim term, okay, a temple or a mosque, that when you hear the names, right, you can understand, okay, this is something Hindu oriented thing, this is something Muslim oriented thing. But Buddhism, Jainism is almost similar in everything that you can't solve it. So maximum what you can do is study the basic books. Okay, you can do the NCERT books, then you can do the Tamil Nadu books are there, R.S. Sharma textbook is there. This and all, most of them has like free lectures is there in my channel, okay, completely free. You can watch that if you have not read the textbook, and it will help you solve these kind of things, because I am taking every statement from standard textbook, okay, not from here and there. So here, which of the following are true? Answer will be A, both 1 and 2. Okay, so The Buddha and other teachers taught orally. Okay, that you know, they'll be like talking or giving commentaries. So through discussion and debate, men and women, perhaps children as well, attended these discourses and discussed what they had heard. None of these were written down during his lifetime. After his death, that is in 5th to 4th century BCE, his teachings were compiled by his disciples at the court of elders or the senior monks at Vaishali, that is Pali for Vaishali in present-day Bihar. These compilations were known as Tipitaka. Okay, so literally 3 baskets to hold different types of text. Okay, they were first transmitted orally and then written and classified according to length and subject matter. Okay. So different baskets or different compilations is for different purposes. Okay. So Vinaya Pitaka includes the rules and regulations, meaning if somebody joins their Sangha, the monastic group, okay, that time what all rules you should follow, what is there any dress code, is there any timing, is there any way you have to talk, is there any order, everything will be written down in Vinaya Pitaka. Then Buddha's main teachings, right, that is in Sutta Pitaka. Okay, that Suttas means his teachings, whatever he told, his verses and his things and all. That is the main thing. Now Abhidhamma Pitaka is like a little bit detailed interpretation, and for those people who want to go to the very like next level, okay, not just the basic teaching, you are going to the next level of enlightenment, and that philosophy and dealings and all, no, detailed one, that is Abhidhamma Pitaka. Okay, so these 2 statements are correct. So this is a very basic NCERT explanation, but I have many other MCQs in my history full test and all, where I have went deep into these 3 things and compared it with UPSC previous year questions and given you all the detailing. Okay, so those who are enrolled with, they will know what is the detailing I have given in history full test. Okay, and I'm explaining like this also. If you are enrolled to the video explanation part, I'm explaining each thing like this. So those people are definitely going to crack if a question comes on Buddhism, Jainism. Now, question number 3. You have to identify the person. He spent years in the company of Brahmana priests and scholars learning Sanskrit and studying religious and philosophical text. While his itinerary is not clear, it is likely that he travelled widely in the Punjab and parts of northern India. He translated several Sanskrit works, including Patanjali's work on grammar, into Arabic. For his Brahmana friends, he translated the works of Euclid, a Greek mathematician, into Sanskrit. Who is being described here? So there is someone who understands Arabic, someone who understands Sanskrit, somebody who can understand the basic our Sanskrit or Pali and all, so that only if you read you can convert it, right? You can translate it. So who is being described here? So options are Ibn Battuta, Abdul Razak, Sheikh Rahman or Al-Baruni. All these are important and UPSC have asked questions, and we have, as I told in my history full test, there is a separate question here for just travelers alone. Okay, the Arabic travelers, the French travelers, the Greek people who came here, everybody's name, their timeline, which king was ruling in India that time, complete chart we have. Okay, so please revise that in history full test test series, and you will be able to solve this question easily. Okay, so here the answer will be, again, if you have not studied this in the prelims hall, please skip this, okay, because everyone has come to India, everybody has translated a lot of work, but exactly where or whom we are describing, that is what you have to tell. And answer is Al-Baruni. Al-Baruni was born in 973 AD in the present-day Uzbekistan, you can tell. He was well versed in several languages like Syriac, Arabic, Persian, Hebrew, Sanskrit. Although he did not know Greek, he was familiar with the words of Plato and the Greek philosophers, having read them in Arabic translations. In 1017, when Sultan Mahmud, Mahmud of Ghazni, invaded this region where he was born, he took several scholars and poets back to the capital Ghazni. Al-Baruni was one of them. He arrived in Ghazni as a hostage, but gradually developed a liking for the city, where he spent the rest of his life until the death of the age, at the age of 70. Okay, meaning he was in Uzbekistan. This Mahmud of Ghazni went and attacked there and took away all the poets and scholars. He was also one of like slave poet kind of thing, and then he lived there and did a lot of work. So he described his work as help to those who want to discuss religious questions with them, that is the Hindus, and as a repertory of information to those who want to associate with them. So meaning his job is to discuss all the religious things, compile it, share with people, discuss with people. This is his life story. So he spent years in the company of Brahmins priests learning Sanskrit. Then he traveled in Punjab and other northern Indian regions. He translated all these works, including Patanjali's work, this Euclid Greek mathematician work, okay, this into Arabic and this into Sanskrit. So he was converting all these things. Then Al-Baruni's Kitab-ul-Hind, written in Arabic, is simple and lucid. It is a voluminous text divided into 80 chapters on subjects such as religion, philosophy, festival, astronomy, alchemy, manners, custom, everything what he observed, what he see in a place, everything he has written. Okay, Kitabul Hind is like a book about India. Okay, it is written whatever he saw. Okay, and timeline is 1017. You can imagine who will be the like Delhi's alternate before that. Okay, before that timeline is the time when he came there. So Ibn Battuta, next one. Ibn Battuta describes about Uluk and Dawa in relation to. Okay, so two terms of medieval history. This again is a UPSC's favorite topic. Is relating to postal system, Qazi system, medicines or agriculture. Okay, these two terms in textbook where you will find or in relation to what. So last year also a question came, I think 4 or 5 terms were given and it is referring to what, and answer was I think water harvesting technology or something like that, the answer. Okay, so like that they will take up these terms, whether it's in Persian or in Sanskrit, they will take up the terms in textbook and ask you. So here answer is A, postal system. In India, the postal system is of two kinds. The horse post called this Uluk, run by royal horses stationed at a distance of every 4 miles, and the foot post has 3 stations per mile. It is called this Dawa. Okay, so these two are the different postal system. Now at every third of a mile, there is a well-populated village outside which there are 3 pavilions in which sit men with graded loins ready to start. Each of them carries a rod 2 cubits. So this is very much detailed. Okay, this is there in your Satish Chandra textbook, you can find it. So that much detailing of how they work and process and function, all you don't have to know. But these two are the horse type and the foot people. These deliver the post, and at this much distance they will be stationed, and the process is there. And it is, you know, the foot post is quicker than the horse post. Okay, and it is often used to transport the fruits of Khorasan, which are much desired in India. So postal system is not like just letters, it's like a cargo service also. Whatever they want to transfer from one place to another, India had this Uluk and Dawa system. Okay, now question number 5, which of the following are true? Akbarnama and Badshah were illustrated Mughal Chronicles. Okay, meaning with pictures it was. Then artists from Iran, that is the Mir Said Ali and Abdus Samad, accompanied Emperor Humayun to Delhi, meaning Humayun is the one who brought these two artists to India. Then Abul Fazl supported and promoted the ideas of ulumas via his works. Okay, so ulumas are this, I think, the Muslim clergy people, the religious scholar people, so that he promoted through his works. So 1 2 only, 2 3 only, 1 3 only, 1 2 3. So 3 statement, if you feel anything is wrong, you can easily eliminate and come to the answer, because options are like that. If one you eliminate anyone, then you will get a easy direct answer. Okay, or if you feel everything is true, then answer is 1 2 3. So here the answer is A, 1 2 only, because this person did not support, he was actually opposing whatever they were telling. Okay, he consistently opposed the views of this conservative ulama. Okay, the qualities impressed Akbar, who found Abul Fazl ideally suited as an advisor and a spokesperson for his policies. Okay, because Akbar was kind of more secular compared to the other Mughal rulers. Okay, it's not like Akbar is also very like #1 great person and all, but compared to all the other Mughal rulers, he was the best. Okay, that is why we tell Akbar the Great also, because he had tolerance for other religions also, and many things which others implemented, like many taxes on non-Muslims and many things and all, he tried to take it away. Okay, and he had in his court Navratna people, in which many Hindus were also there. It's not like other people. Okay, like Aurangzeb and all, by the time you reach Aurangzeb, it's like complete orthodox system. Okay, so again this artist Humayun, when he was in exile in Iran, while coming back, he brought back these two painters. And about paintings, a lot of videos I've already done. You can go and watch Mughal paintings, and these are illustrated chronicles. There are a lot of paintings and battle scenes and court scenes, everything is painted in that. Okay, so again you can pause and read this, because Mughal paintings I've done a lot of video, I'm not explaining again. So these were the 5 questions, and tomorrow Tuesday again our teachers will do I think Tuesday we'll do environment. Okay, environment and geography. But again I'm telling you, if you are a serious aspirant and giving 23 attempt and still now you are not able to solve questions which we show you, that means you need the test series. Okay, so please enroll. Even if it's subject alone I can give you, but you can tell me in WhatsApp, and we can discuss, okay, what test is or what subject is the poor subject for you. We can discuss and try to get it and clear it. Okay, these are lifetime validity PDF. In case you fail also, you can use it the next year. So please try to get whichever subject, whichever textbook you are weak, we have classified like this, and study. Okay, just read and study. You will learn a lot. Okay, and it will help you double your score also in the upcoming prelims. So tomorrow environment or geography episode will come. Thank you and have a nice day.